Hey friends, this is Mansoor Sohail. January the 9th, 2022. Let's look at the market. This is 10 years monthly chart of SPY. And what I see over here, this is 200 days moving average. Ichimoku cloud, 50, 20. 50 days average, 20 period average. And market is trading above all these on the monthly basis. That means the market is in uptrend. However, I notice over here this red candle is making the trend undefined at this point. So you see this green line, this is all showing uptrend, but over here the market has gone into undefined trend. Well, let's go to weekly chart and let's see what's happening there. So let's take a look at a weekly chart of SPY. Here is what it looks like. This is 200 period, 50 period, and 20 period moving average. Again, the market is trading above all these averages, above the cloud, and in upward channel. So basically market is in uptrend. However, again over here we notice that the trend is undefined. So let us move on to daily chart and let's see what market looks like on daily chart. So here is the position of daily chart. This is SPY's 3 years daily chart. And we notice over here prices are still above 200 period moving average, but at the moment these are trading between 20 and 50 period. So it could reverse from here or it could go further down from here. Market is presently trading above cloud, but cloud is squeezing right here. So that's why this part right here is undefined. Most likely it could go down a little more, and we can expect that it can come up to the lower band at this point, somewhere around here, and then turn around. But in general, we have noticed that on monthly, weekly, and on daily basis, the market is still in uptrend. At this point, it could dip a little more and then take a reversal. So thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video.